Hello guys, welcome to Dedicated.com. This video is all about installation of Node.js with a security. So to create this video in a very proper and easiest way, so we have divided this video into two parts. Very first, in the first part, we are going to explain how to install Node.js and NPM. After that, we will install Firewall and do some configurations. And lastly, we will open the port in the Firewall. Whereas in the second video, we are going to do some additional settings like changing the root as a username to a something else so nobody can able to guess your server username. Second, avoid multiple login failure attempts so we can able to block the IP address. Third, for the Node.js, we need some other applications like GCC and Yarn, Yarn. So we will configure that in the second video. So make sure one thing, before doing any changes or any installation, always make sure first watch this video and then only perform the operations. So for the example, if we install a firewall, so that time we cannot able to directly enable or start a firewall, because before starting a firewall we need to enable, or you can say allow some certain ports so we can able to log in into server. So this is the most critical one. So similarly other things are there to avoid the confusion or mess up in the server. So please watch this video and then perform. This video is in two parts, so make sure watch both the parts and complete your Node.js installation. So let's start with the first process. Very first, to install the Node.js, we need some prerequisites. So these are first CURL. To install the CURL, we can able to use this command and hit enter. After that, we need to install a Python. Please make sure that all these commands are given in the description of this video so you can able to follow the process. Now our Python has been installed successfully. It is time to install a Node.js. We are on the official side of the Node.js. Here you can able to see that currently the latest recommended version is 18.17.0 and the latest featured version is 20.5.0. So we can able to choose any one among them. So in this case, for the safe side, we will go with the 18.17. To start the installation, we need the command. Enter this and here replace the 6 with the latest version. So in our case, it is 18.17. So I will go here and replace with 18.x. X represent the latest version. You can able to say let's 17. So no need to enter here 17.0. Just write this 18 dot and hit enter. This way we have added Node.js PPA. Now it is time to do an installation. For this we can able to use this command. And in few seconds our Node.js installation will complete. Here we can able to check the Node.js version by using the command node -v. And you can able to see that we have successfully installed the latest version of Node.js. Now we will check same way for the NPM, and you can able to see that we also installed NPM latest version. Now time to test a simple code. Please make sure that do not skip this video because the next part is about firewall installation and configuration, so you can able to secure your server. Very first we need to start the node. For the demonstration we are just console based example we are trying here. Enter here node. So we are entered into the node, means node has been started. Now we can able to enter console.log in bracket hello node bracket close and enter. You can able to see that hello node has been printed successfully. Now to get exit from this, we can able to enter .exit and hit enter. Now we have successfully out from the Node.js. Now we are moving towards the next part, UFW firewall installation and security, because when you run your application and live your project, that time security is most important factor. So you need to follow this process. So very first we will clear this screen. Very first we will check whether we have installed UFW or not. To check this we can able to use this command, and here you can able to see that it is installed or it is not installed. So to install this UFW you can able to use this command and hit enter. Now we have installed our UFW. Very first we will check the status. For that we can able to use sudo UFW space status. And here you can able to see that UFW is inactive. before activating the UFW, we always has to enable the ports, so we can able to activate the firewall and then we can able to start using the systems. To allow the port, we can able to use this command sudo UFW allow SSH first, second HTTP, third HTTPS, fourth FTP, and then clear the screen. Now it is time to enable the firewall. For that we can able to use this command sudo UFW enable. Our firewall will ask for the permission, say yes, and our firewall is installed successfully. If you wanted to know more about UFW, we have already created a dedicated video. You can able to go and watch this video, so you will get more information about UFW. Now we'll check the status. For that we can able to use this command, and you can able to see that we have already allowed 3000 ports in the system. Now it is time to test the real browser-based Node.js application with the port 3000. So let's start. Now to create a live demonstration, we first will go to the home directory and then we will create a file called as app.js. And here we need to add a Node.js code. For the demonstration purpose, we are taking the demo available from the official website. Here you can able to see we are on the official website. Click on about and here you will find the code. Just copy this code for the demonstration purpose and paste here. Here we are using a server from dedicated core. So we need to replace this local host name with the IP address or our server or your host name or the server name. But in this case, we are using a VPS or dedicated server from dedicated core. So we are not configured the host name. We can able to directly enter here a IP address. To enter this IP address, first we will erase this and enter the same IP address of this server. After that, we can able to save this file and hit enter. Now, before running the Node.js, let me check whether our port is open or not. To check our port is open or not, you can able to use this website. So in this case, this is IP address and this is the port number that we are trying to access. So click here and you can able to see that it is showing closed. But it is because we have not run the Node.js. To start the Node.js, or you have to execute the app.js file. To do that, you can able to use this command node space app.js. After entering this, you can able to see that server running at our IP address and the port number. We have executed this file. Now time to open this URL in the browser. And before that, we will check again at the port. And you can able to see that it is open. Means we have successfully executed, but just we will check whether it will run or not in our browser. And you can able to see that it is showing hello world. That means our installation, security, allowing ports, blocking the ports has been completed successfully, and now on you can able to build your project and create your business. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video.